a student has an interest in legal studies, they should come and join our legal studies program. The program is so well-rounded. They will come out well-educated, and they will be taught by the best associate faculty members who are dedicated to their success. Hello, my name is Linda Latimer, and I am Program Chair of Legal Studies. I loved my work as an attorney, but I reached a point in my career where I was ready to try something new. And then the transition to post-secondary education happened. What sets post-legal studies program apart from other programs is basically the curriculum. Students not only learn legal concepts, but we focus on teaching our students hands-on practical skills. In the civil litigation course, students have an opportunity to work on forms and motions as if they were really working at a law firm. It's nice to be able to share my knowledge and to help students achieve their goals, whether it's working as a paralegal, whether it's going to law school, or using their legal studies degree in a different way. We have a very dedicated team of associate faculty members in the legal studies program. They really go the extra mile. Each associate faculty member has office hours, weekly office hours, but if that time is not convenient for a student, an associate faculty member will make themselves available when it is convenient for the student. Internships are strongly recommended. Students are actually in the field, getting great hands-on experience. I love teaching, and I love mentoring students and setting them up for success and seeing them launched in their career, whether they work as a paralegal or whether they decide to go on to graduate school.